हेलो एवरीवन। तो आज है 22 अगस्त 2024। तो देखते हैं आज के करंट अफेयर्स। Which company has launched an update to its video call app featuring a revamped interface? Answer is Google. Which country has declared a cholera outbreak with World Health Organization reporting 316 deaths? Answer is Sudan. Which company has decided to remove AI-generated images of dishes due to customer complaints about misleading visuals? Answer is Zomato. Which country is reintroducing compulsory military service due to rising European tension and increased military activities in the Balkans? Answer is Croatia. Which university has developed an advanced cyanide sensor for enhancing food and water safety? Answer is Kerala.